Salutations, folks. This is Dr. Jaffer from Western Florida. Today we'll talk about constipation. I know many of you don't like to talk about it, but it has become the bane of our life. Especially in this modern society today, constipation has become a very, very big problem. We were, in the olden days, hunters and gatherers, more like gatherers and occasional hunters. And this is long before farming. And we were really gatherers of fruits, berries, roots, leaves, and we were mainly vegetarians. And occasionally we got an animal and we ate it right away. We didn't have refrigeration. So in the olden days, all of us had big poopy. Today it is very small, it's hard, and it doesn't even float, it sinks. That means it doesn't have enough fiber. So how do we overcome this problem of constipation, which has become the bane of modern living? Easy way, a very high plant-based diet. 90% of your food should be plant-based. A very small percentage should be meats, and they should be eaten like condiments. But vegetables and fruits are your best friends, and especially unprocessed food. And also in the olden days, we didn't have our modern toilets where we sit. We were squatting. So now you can get a squatty potty, or you can just put a platform so your legs are elevated, and the picture will show you. And you facilitate the evacuation better. Now remember this, we have 3 trillion cells, but we have 30 trillion bacteria in our body, and most of them are in our intestines, and they are our friends. This is the gastric biome. Today we are learning more and more about it. It is your wellness friend. It also keeps you out of harm. And if your bacteria are not up to par, you get inflammation and diseases, and also inflammatory diseases that are bad. Even heart attacks and strokes and other problems are attributed to a leaky gut and not enough bacteria in your gastric biome, or at least not the right type. So you want to feed them right, and fruits and veggies and high fiber diet is your best friend. Remember, you must be well hydrated. Watch your urine. It should always be clear. If it's yellow, you are dehydrated. If there's not enough water in your body will steal water from your poopy, and it'll become hard. And hard poopy is like cement, doesn't move, okay? So you want to be well hydrated and have a lot of fiber. And your poopy must always float. If it floats, means you're taking enough fiber. It is now proven that bigger the poop, smaller the hospitals. People with constipation and small poop are sicker and need more hospital care. It's a very simple formula. So I advise you very, very strongly, high fiber diet, plant-based diet, not processed food, and eat skins of vegetables that you can eat, skins of fruit that you can eat. As much fiber as you can, at least 20 grams a day. Hopefully you'll never get into trouble with constipation. God bless you all.